Smart, cost-effective, autopilot, safe, advanced, and eco-friendly.
Futuristic vehicles and the development that has happened so far. Let's get into the details of Tesla Robotaxi, what we know so far. Robotaxi design have sparked significant interest within the automotive and tech industries. This move reflects Tesla's increased focus on autonomous driving technology and its potential to reshape how we get around. Let's unpack what this means. Environmental impact. Robotaxis are primarily envisioned as electric vehicles, and their widespread adoption could significantly reduce emissions compared to traditional gasoline-powered taxis. This would contribute to cleaner air and improved health in urban areas. No traditional controls. Imagine a Tesla without a steering wheel or pedals. This would maximize the vehicle's interior space, potentially allowing for more passenger capacity or innovative seating configurations. This specialized design prioritizes the Robotaxi's self-driving capabilities and the rider's experience over traditional driver control. Focus on cost efficiency. A robotaxi, constantly in operation, could offer a more cost-effective transportation model compared to personally owned vehicles that sit idle for significant periods. Tesla's focus on a purpose-built design could streamline production, reducing manufacturing costs, and potentially lowering ride prices. Potential reduction of traffic congestion and accidents. If well managed, fleets of robotaxis could help optimize traffic flow. Algorithms and communication between the vehicles could reduce gridlock and unpredictable driving behaviors. Additionally, with advanced self-driving technology, there is the potential to eliminate many of the accidents caused by human error, making our roads safer. Design theories. The overall look of the robotaxi is open to speculation. It may be based on an existing Tesla model, modified to remove driver-related elements. However, a completely new, purpose-built design with passenger needs at the forefront is also possible. Challenges to launch. Fully autonomous driving is a huge technological hurdle. Existing self-driving tech still requires human supervision, especially in unpredictable situations. Regulations governing self-driving vehicles vary by location, adding complexity to widespread rollout. Public acceptance of driverless cars is another big factor, as people may have safety concerns or be hesitant to embrace such a radical shift in transportation. And we already discussed the timeline uncertainties. But even after all these difficulties, if we get the true robotaxi, we can see many potential benefits. Enhanced convenience and accessibility. Robotaxis aim to provide on-demand transportation, accessible through your smartphone. This eliminates the need to wait for traditional taxis or navigate public transportation schedules. For the elderly, those with disabilities, or people in areas with limited transport options, this could be a game changer, providing newfound freedom and mobility. The development of fully self-driving technology is notoriously complex, with engineers facing challenges in both software and hardware capabilities. Tesla's ambitious goal of Level 5 autonomy, where the car can operate entirely without human input under any conditions, requires advanced sensor systems and powerful AI that is consistently reliable. Additionally, the regulatory landscape for autonomous vehicles remains in flux. While Tesla has pioneered features like autopilot, government approval for fully driverless cars on public roads will require rigorous testing and extensive safety protocols. These factors could necessitate additional research and development time before the robotaxi concept becomes a reality. However, it's important to understand that this potential delay doesn't signal a failure of Tesla's self-driving ambitions. The company continues to invest heavily in artificial intelligence and sensor development. By potentially aligning the robotaxi's production with a new generation of electric vehicles, Tesla could introduce major advancements that make fully autonomous driving even more feasible. While eager fans may need to exercise patience, the pursuit of Tesla's self-driving taxi remains a transformative project with the potential to revolutionize transportation. Should we really have expectations? Since Tesla CEO Elon Musk's initial announcement of the robotaxi concept, many questions remain regarding its specific features, design, and projected rollout. Here's what we can speculate, along with the challenges involved. The challenges. While the promise of robotaxis, fully autonomous vehicles transporting passengers without human intervention, is enticing, significant challenges need to be overcome before they become a widespread reality. Technical limitations of self-driving. Even with rapid advancements in AI, self-driving technology still struggles with complex, unpredictable situations. Think heavy rain, unexpected road construction, or a child darting into the street. While robotaxis might excel in controlled environments, the chaotic nature of real-world driving presents a major challenge. To be truly viable, robotaxis must demonstrate near-perfect safety and reliability in all conditions. Regulatory hurdles. Governments are understandably cautious about unleashing fully driverless vehicles onto public roads. Strict regulations need to be established to ensure safety standards, address liability issues, and create a consistent framework for operation. This complex process takes time, potentially slowing down the widespread adoption of robotaxis. Building public trust. Even if the technology and regulations are flawless, public acceptance is another major hurdle. Many people have legitimate concerns about the safety of handing over complete control to a machine, especially in unpredictable driving situations. Companies developing robotaxis must not only prove their safety, but also effectively communicate and build trust with the public. Tesla seems committed to developing a robotaxi service, but the exact details and timeline remain uncertain. This technology has the potential to revolutionize transportation, but significant challenges need to be addressed before it becomes a mainstream reality. Self-driving cars that communicate with each other could optimize traffic flow, leading to less congestion and shorter commutes. Robotaxis wouldn't be limited by human fatigue. Rides could potentially be available at any time, day or night. Governments need to establish clear and comprehensive regulations for the operation of self-driving vehicles. This includes defining safety standards, outlining liability in case of accidents, and creating a framework for licensing and testing. Robotaxis raise ethical questions about decision-making in unavoidable accidents. Who or what gets prioritized in a collision situation? These complex issues require careful consideration. Tesla is actively testing prototype robotaxis on public roads, gathering data and refining their technology. However, a clear timeline for widespread adoption remains uncertain. Collaboration between tech companies, regulators, and the public is crucial to address challenges and ensure a smooth rollout. Ultimately, Tesla Robotaxi's success hinges on its ability to overcome these hurdles. If it can ensure safety, reliability, and public trust, then self-driving robotaxis have the potential to revolutionize the transportation industry, transforming how we travel and interact with our cities.